Okay, sweet darling, I'm getting ready to run the Animal Twin Cat with my 42 High Rake stainless prototypes. I went to go run and I checked. I saw a little bit of condensation right there. Not condensation, but a little bit of corrosion right there. So I'm taking my toothbrush and getting rid of it.
On the scene, it's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave, CNC parts, man, it's built for speed.
That looks good.
High flow water systems cool for me.
Now there's something. 111. Yeah, that's definitely different. A significant difference from the CNC aluminum props. That's 4 miles an hour difference.
Who's got the strongest boats on the